Get comfortable. Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to the vlog. I haven't vlogged in a while, I don't know, just kind of bummed, don't really know what to film. Just corona stuff going on, you know what I mean? Like, we're really not going out, we're not really doing much. Mostly just hanging out at the house. So I went to Walmart the other day and I bought some mother's polish, and I bought these little cone things right here that you put on a drill, and I have my Ryobi right here, so I'm going to try and put it together, and I'm going to try and polish the lips on my front VSKF wheels. These lips always get dirty, they're always just getting beat on, the car, you know, gets driven all the time. So I wanted to put the camera on the Ronin S and put the camera in C-Log in 8-bit, because that's what my EOS R shoots without having an external recorder. It's on, it's all balanced and all that stuff, it's on the thing. So I've got my new aperture light right here, I've got my little lights right here. There's a tutorial for how to make these in another video, which is the really cheap way to do it. They're just wrapped in like the cellophane that you can get at Michael's Crafts or wherever that place is called. My aperture light's like the RGB thing, so I'm going to try and do some stuff with that. And as I'm polishing, or actually my girlfriend's going to polish, and as she's polishing, I'm going to do some slow-mo footage and make some cinematic stuff real quick. So, hopefully it color grades well, and hopefully it looks cool, because this guy said some really nice stuff about how my Ronin video helped him, so I felt motivated and wanted to make something photography related. So, let's go. Here it is. Alright, so hopefully you guys liked the cleaning process. You know, I tried to color grade it, I tried to shoot in multiple frame rates. I shot 24, 120, and 60 actually for the first time in a long time. I usually never shoot 60 because I always feel like 60 frames comes out like crap. But, so, I did it all. I'm trying to get in the flow of things again. I actually took my drone out the other day and I shot a photo of my BMW with it. Here, photo. And yeah, I don't know, I've just been trying to do a bunch of stuff, and I've been just bumming around the house. I don't know, I want to get back out, I want to shoot more like video stuff, more photography stuff. I just want to do car stuff, but you know, the coronavirus stuff's going around, and I don't want to get sick, and I don't want to, you know, be in any situation. We've lost a few friends, and it sucks. So, you know, I'm trying to be safe, and hopefully we'll do some more stuff quietly around here with me and my girlfriend. And maybe with the cars, maybe I'll clean up some stuff, maybe I'll make some more cool little videos with her. And who knows? Anyways, I guess that's it. Oh, by the way, check out the SORCERY channel. I make nonsense videos that really have nothing to do with anything. They're just extra videos and extra clips that I had. And link in the description, link on the channel page, in my little support column, my little friends. So if you're on that page, you can check that out. If not, anyways, whatever. I don't know. I guess that's it. I'll see you guys soon.